What's good, all my healthcare brothers and sisters, as well as my pre-healthcare professionals alike? I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day. Today we are continuing on with the review series of the English and language usage portion of the ATI TEAS, and we're going to start discussing spelling. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and better yet, hit that bell notification. It lets you know when I post new content here on YouTube. Give this video a big thumbs up, that way it lets other people know that this is a good review video for the ATI TEAS exam and helping you pass it like a boss. Spelling is important in written communication, so you should be familiar with the conventions of standard English spelling. There are several common rules that you may already be familiar with, and there are some common mistakes that you should learn how to avoid. First, let's take a look at the most common rules of English spelling. Understanding vowel sounds. Rules about vowel sounds include the famous I before E except after C, or while sounding like A as in neighbor or in way. Unfortunately, the rule has many exceptions. I before E rule. I before E is in achieve, relief, grief, and belief. Exceptions are except after C, deceive, perceive, conceive. Sounding like A, neighbor, wait, there, rain. Other exceptions include weird and neither. Short vowel rule. Only one letter is needed to spell a short sound. Red, hot, bad, sit, and shut. OI or OY rule. Use OI in the middle of a word, boil, soil, and use OY at the end of the word, joy, toy. OU or OW rule. Use OU in the middle of a word, house, found, and use OW at the end of the words other than those that end in N or D, borrow, chow, or throw. The double consonant rule. When using B, D, G, M, N, or P appear after a short vowel in a word with two syllables, double the consonant. Rabbit, ladder, haggle, tummy, banner, or dipper. CH sound rule. At the beginning of the word, use CH, chide, chair. At the end of the word, use TCH, batch, ditch. When the CH sound is followed by a URE or ION, use T, picture, caption. A suffix is a word ending such as ing or ed. There are several important rules about adding suffixes. Drop final E rule. When you add a suffix to a word that ends in a silent E, drop the E of the suffix begins with a vowel, come to coming, or drive to driving. The exception is with like the words duly, truly, and peaceable. Change final Y to I rule. When you add a suffix to a word that ends in Y preceded by a consonant, change the Y to I, unless the suffix begins with an I. Deny is equal to denial. Party is equal to partier, but deny, denying, and party is equal to partying. See the difference between the Y and the I? Words that end in a Y preceded by a vowel can change the suffixes ed and ing without changing the word. Stray, straying, or strayed. Doubling the final consonant rule. When you add a suffix that begins with a vowel to a word that ends in a Y preceding by a single consonant and is a one-syllable word or a multi-syllable word with the final syllable accented, then double the final consonant before adding the suffix, such as capping and occurring. Here are some basic rules for making a word plural. For most regular plurals, just add S. Medicines, doctors. For words ending in S, SH, CH, X, or Z, add ES. Gases, washes, churches, taxes, waltzes. For words ending in F or FE, use VES. Cells, lives, wives, knives. Some words have the same singular and plural forms. Series, species, aircraft, and many animals such as deer, moose, sheep, and shrimp. Homophones are words that sound similar but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Common homophones include the words its, and theirs. The table below shows homophones found often in the English dictionary and their definitions. Antidote. An anecdote is a story, and an antidote is a remedy for an illness or problem. Blue and blue. Blue is a color, and blue is a past tense to the verb to blow. Capital. A capital letter is a letter written in uppercase or the primary political city in a state. A capital is a building or group of buildings used for state governance. Confident. Confident is an adjective meaning self-assured, and confident is a trusted friend or advisor. Creek. A creek is a small body of water. A creak is a sound. The wooden floor creaked when she stepped on it. Addition. An addition is a version of text, and addition is an operation in math. Effect. Effect is a word that is commonly used as a noun. An effect is a result produced by some causal factor. The word affect is commonly used as a verb. To affect something means to have an impact on something. For and for. For is a preposition showing purpose. For is a number. Here and here. The word here indicates location, and the word here means to perceive sound. Insure. Insure is generally used to refer to insurance. When you insure something, you're protected against harm. To insure means to make certain. It's and its. The word is a possessive pronoun. The word its is the contraction for it is. Meet and meet. The verb meet means to come together, and the noun meat refers to animal protein. Pair, pair, and pair. The noun pair means two of something. He brought a pair of socks. The verb pair means to cut away or reduce. He pared down his possessions to just the essentials. The noun pear is a fruit. Pale and pale. The word pale means light in color, and the word pale means bucket. Peek and peak. Peek means to take a look or to spy, and also peak means the top or highest point. Principal, principal. A principal is a person who is a head or a leader. A principle is a rule or guideline. Site. The word site is a noun meaning location, and the word site is a verb meaning to give credit to a source. Soul. Soul is the adjective meaning only, and soul is a noun that refers to the person's spiritual nature. Stationary. Stationary means motionless or fixed in place. Stationary can also mean fine paper used for writing. The word there is a possessive pronoun. They gave us the address to their home. The word there indicates location. We will see you there. And there is a contraction for they are. Lastly, then, than. The word indicates order in a sentence. First this happened, then that happened. The word than indicates comparison. She is taller than him. Two, and two. Two means also. Two refers to the number two, and two is a preposition. Week. The noun week is a time interval of 7 days. The adjective weak means not strong. Whale. A whale is a large sea mammal. To wail means to cry or to scream. Which. The word which is a relative pronoun. Which side of the family are you related to? The word witch is a noun. She dressed like a witch for Halloween. Whole. Whole is an adjective meaning entire. Whole is a noun meaning a gap or an opening. Whose. The word whose is a relative pronoun. Whose side are you on anyway? The word whose is a contraction of who is. Sherry is the one who's calling. Lastly, your. Your is a possessive pronoun. Is that your dog? Your is a conjunction for you are. And lastly, homographs are words that are spelled in the same but have different meanings. There are a few common ones. Bear, the verb to carry or endure, or the noun, an animal. Fair, adjective, is just or pleasing. The noun, exhibition or event. Tear, the verb to pull or rip apart, and the noun, salty liquid from the eye. Hide, verb to keep out of sight, and the noun is an animal skin. Wind, the verb is to twist or wrap, the noun is moving air. And content, adjective, happy and peaceful, and the noun, things held or included in something. I hope that this video was helpful for you to pass your ATI TEAS like a boss the first time. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you head over to my website at www.nursecheung.com, where there are additional resources related to the topics that we discuss here in these videos. Make sure you follow me on my social media. I am on Facebook, Instagram, as well as here on YouTube. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe. But until next time, I hope that y'all have a wonderful day, and I will speak with you all again soon in our next video. Bye!